Hey, what's up, Tinkles? Welcome back again to our kid channel. Once again, this is Tang, the ordinary Filipina. And for today's video, we will gonna talk about the top 5 best places to visit here in Dumaguete, Philippines, of course, that most tourists and locals are love to do. There are so many adventures that you can do here in Dumaguete. The number one top places or best place that you are going to visit or to enjoy it is the Rizal Boulevard. Of course, it is very popular because you can see the neighboring islands, the Siquijor Islands, and of course the Cebu Island. And aside from that, there is also a night market there where there are so many products or different products where you can buy or something just to enjoy, look around. And aside from that, the Rizal Boulevard also is having a calm weather, a calm atmosphere that where you can enjoy it and relax while walking with your Filipina, holding hands. Wow, sana all. Walking with your Filipina there, just enjoying looking around the different vendors selling different products. And also the most important that Filipino love to do also is to eat the street food. If you don't know what is that, then ask your Filipina about that because street food is really nice and really our favorite food. And aside from that, if you're familiar with balut, diba? So balut is also part of the street food that you can buy there in the Boulevard here in Dumaguete. And of course, aside from that, it's very near in different restaurants and bars if you don't like to stay in the streets eating your food. So yeah, you can also go in some luxury restaurants and you can still enjoy the sunset or the sunrise because it's really viewable. Wow, viewable, what kind of word is that? Anyway, yeah, you really can enjoy that because it's very nice to walk there, especially if you have someone beside. I miss walking there. Second best place to visit here in Dumaguete is the Apu Island. Apu Island is a small island where you can have your experience with snorkeling. It's very nice to go there. You can enjoy snorkeling, and this is the home of the native turtles. And yeah, I was there, and then it's really nice to go. It's very relaxing, if you know how to, if snorkeling is your favorite habit for doing, then you could also do visit considered the Apu Island because this place or this island is really quite nice. It's really warm where there is, it looks like the water there is having their own power because you if you want dive very deep, it looks like the ocean is getting you back that you cannot dip into the water. And it was really nice there, and I really have incredible experience when I was there. Yeah, I was there years ago, and it was nice experience, and I really do love it. The third one is the Twin Lake Balinsasayao. Of course, we call it twin because it's two. So if there is a snorkeling, for sure there is also a hiking. So if you love doing hiking, then you can consider to visit also this Twin Lake Balinsasayao. It was nice. There is so much birds, and you can do bird watching at all. So I never been there yet, and for me, it is not for me because hiking is not really my passion, or I really don't do such things. Maybe because every person have different personalities and different wants or different habit. I mean, so hiking is not really my thing. That's why if you do love hiking, you can consider it also to visit the Twin Lake. And then yeah, there is things so much to do there. So if you want to do hiking, it's really nice if you visit it there with your own, so you can really say, wow, it's really a beautiful place. That thing is really right. That Twain Lake in Balinsasayaw is really nice. So, experience is the best. So why not consider to have experience, right? And then the next one is the Pulang Batu Falls. This falls is a waterfalls with a majestic waterfalls with a beautiful symphony of colors, because when you say Pulang Batu, this is a red. Means pula in Visaya is red and bato is rock. So it looks like red rock, you know. So Pulang Batu Falls is a very nice falls also here in Dumaguete that you can visit because it's quite a little higher. I posted a video with that in a short video before when I was there. I visited there once and it is really nice. You really can enjoy and relax there. Even, it's full of forest around. It's a little bit scary for you for if you see it first, but when you stay there and you just feel the warmth, the ambience of this place is you can really feel the relaxation even though it is surrounded by forest, and it's really, for me, it is really nice. And yeah, for sure it should be nice because it's included in the places, the top 5 places to visit here in Dumaguete. And the last one, maybe you might consider to visit me because I'm the best. And the last one is you might consider to visit me. Kidding aside. So that's all for today's video, Tingles. I hope you had any ideas where you can visit here in Dumaguete if you have time or if you can make holidays. Then consider to visit the place that I have mentioned, and also consider to visit me. Kidding. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and yeah, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. So thank you so much, Tinkles. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Bye-bye. Bye.